Hello everyone and welcome to The Vortex, where lies and falsehoods are trapped and exposed. I'm Michael Voris. Because we are people trapped in a certain historical context, time and space, we oftentimes, all of us, tend to view everything through the prism of our own historical circumstances, our here and now. While this is understandable, it's also not a Catholic view. Catholics live in the reality of their time and space, but we exist in a church which is not bound by time and space. This is what the modernists and progressives in the church want you to forget. The church is a vast army occupying not only the material world but also the immaterial world. The church belongs not just to us in the here and now, but more importantly to those who went before us. We have the faith as custodians, not as owners. It is not ours to do with as we please. But the heterodox crowd wants you to forget that. In fact, they've built their entire framework around that belief that they can change what has been handed to them. It's not theirs to change. It belongs to the ages, to history, to the Lord of history. We've been entrusted with the most precious gift anyone can be entrusted with, the Catholic faith. It's been given to us to share in its pure form with as many people as we can, so they too may become custodians of the mystery. This is an inheritance that we must hand back unsullied at the end of our days, just as those who handed it on to us did. When corrupters of the faith do their dirty work, they break this continuity of beauty and responsibility. Untold masses died for this faith, preached this faith, suffered at the hands of emperors and kings to protect the purity of the faith. It belongs to them. It most certainly does not belong to these modern historical interlopers who deny history and want to poison the springs of life-giving waters. When the faith is betrayed, the saints are trampled on. The memory of those too numerous to count in heaven is what is betrayed. We are, in the end, the least significant in the kingdom of heaven. We suffer very little for what others poured out their last measures for. We are not church, nor does it belong to us. We are nothing more than clay vessels temporarily carrying a treasure beyond telling. Remember this when you confront someone who calls himself or herself a Catholic but has no comprehension of history. Catholics are all about history, my brothers and sisters. We are all about history. 2,000 years of sacred history and counting. And like so many of our fold who have gone before us, history is worth fighting for, and when called for, dying for as well. Guard your inheritance with all your strength because it comes from Jesus Christ. God love you. I'm Michael Voris.
Please help us keep delivering these kinds of messages that so desperately need to be heard and acted on. Join RealCatholicTV.com today as a premium subscriber. Become immersed in the faith established by Jesus Christ. The Catholic Church is the only hope against evil because that is its God-given mission. As our Lord said, apart from me, you can do nothing. Join RealCatholicTV.com today as a premium subscriber and come to learn and love Christ more deeply.